Hi, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Today I want to talk about something sort of a did you know? Did you know that if there is a worn or unreadable headstone, that the VA will replace it for free? Now, as I walk about the Lucas County municipal and private cemeteries, occasionally I'll come across a veteran headstone that is totally unreadable. And with that, it becomes a challenge to, one, determine if they're a veteran at all, but I know that based on the stone's configuration, but also that information should be public and visible. Unfortunately, over time, the ravages of time and the lack of cleaning causes the stone to deteriorate. So the VA has provided a solution for that, that if the cemetery would identify the stone, provide information about the person from their records, and then reply to them in the email that I will have attached here, then this stone can be easily taken care of. On a positive side, I have seen a number of small cemeteries in Lucas County actually have used the technique and contacted the VA because the replacement stones came in. So I just want to let you know, did you know that they will replace a stone? Now, it's only a federal stone. If you've got a private stone, that won't work. But if it's one that looks like one of these out here, that's what you would be looking at. And we have a number of them that needs attention. This is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Until next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.